Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Sports Cruise. In this channel, we all talk about making money online. Yeah, it's just all about making money online in a legit way. Yeah, and please, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Yeah. And also most importantly, remember to hit that notification bell so that you'll be able to receive notification whenever I drop an interesting video like this. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video right away. Okay, so now in this website, or let's say software, it gives us abs, that's arbitrage opportunities across bookmakers. You understand? It gives us arbitrage opportunities across bookmakers, and you'll be needing this calculator. You will be needing this calculator. Yeah, very important. You will be needing this calculator. Okay, now let's say bookmaker A is offering 2.5 odds for an over 2 match. For a match for over 2 on a particular match. And bookmaker B is offering 2 odds for the same match, but this time around under 2. Bookmaker A is offering 2.50 odds for over 2, and bookmaker B is offering 2 odds for under 2.5. Then now, seeing here now, this is now your profit. This is your profit here now. That's your profit. Then now imagine you have, say, 50,000 naira, placing 22,222 naira on bookmaker A, and then 27,777 naira on bookmaker B. Whatever the outcome of the match is, you are still going to make your profit. Whatever the outcome is, you must still make a profit. Yeah, whether it's over 2 or under 2, the profit that you are going to make is this guy here. You are going to make this guy here as your profit. So now, let me show you this software. I actually love using this one. Yeah, this is my favorite software. Okay, it's loading. Let's just give it some time. I'm having network issues here. Yeah, it's loading. Oh, my sub is up. Okay. Okay. Here it is. There are not even enough games for today. And even here now, you can toggle it. You can toggle. And now I have my own. I chose these guys here now. Yeah. I have other these things that I chose. Where is this guy? Okay, let's check these guys. So now, if you play this game now, and you'll be having 1 point. Okay, better. So now playing this game here now, you will be having 9.57% no matter the outcome of the game. Okay? Okay. I need to get a subscription now so as to show you guys how this actually works. I'll be getting a subscription and I'm going to walk you through on how to get a subscription. If you want to subscribe, okay, just get a subscription. Yeah, get a subscription. It's loading. It's loading. I'm from Nigeria. So I'll buying a 7 days plan. A 7 days plan. You can also buy a life plan and a pre-match and life plan, but I always go for this pre-match. Buy. Okay, it's loading. Okay, then now I'll be choosing this rev. It's loading. Okay. Yeah, it will now take me to Flutter Wave where I can make my payment. Yeah. Okay. My network is kind of slow today. So right now I'll be paying 2,781.61. So this bank account, Sterling Bank, I'm going to copy it. Then head to okay. Sorry, I'm going to pause this video to make the payments, then get back to us. So now I'm back to the video. I've actually made the payment. Yeah, I've actually made my payment, and I have marked paid. So we will now be waiting for them to confirm the payment on the side. Just a little more time. Hello guys, my payment now is confirmed. Yeah, it's now confirmed. You can now go back and place and see the apps they are gonna paste for the day. Okay, so another. Okay, let's wait for it. It's loading. Okay, so now this today's game, and it's actually a darts game. Yeah, so we will be placing a bet on Mikiro Suzuki against Scott Baker. Then the total 180 points, it's total over 0 point, as in over 1.5. This is what you'll be placing on one expert. The total point is over 1.5 at the odd of 1.832. Then you'll now head over to bet save and place the same bet. This time around you're gonna place on the 1.5 at the odd of 2.6. So now let's go to our calculator. Let's now go to our calculator to check these things now. 1.832 and 2.6. Okay, These two were 1.832 and 2.6. So you see now we'll be having a profit of 7.7.47. Playing with 100,000 will be giving us 7,000 naira. Clean 7,000 naira. Just clean 7,000 naira. This you can just use it as as a part-time business, and I promise you're gonna really enjoy doing this. I'm a student, but this is just what I do to get my money. Basically now I don't ask anyone for money. I use this to make money, and I know how much I do make in a week. I know how much I do make in a week. And the most amazing and interesting thing about this is that there is no chance of you losing. There is no chance of you losing as far as you placed your bet correctly. There is no chance of you losing. So now you just go to 1xbet and place this bet, and then bet safe and place the under 1.5, and guess what, you make your profits. So thank you guys for watching this video, and staying with me. See you some other times, and remember, like, share and subscribe. Yeah, also hit your notification bell to be receiving more amazing videos like this. Thank you guys. One love.